2, 3. Mabuhay! This is BINI Quiz!
First, what is the official fandom name of BINI?
Blums!
Yun yung nakauna. Next, what is the official fandom color of BINI?
Pink! Teal!
Gale.
Teal! Ay, piling. Si Teal, uy. Yung color sa dagat.
Who among the members of BINI is the youngest?
Sheena! Lo? Ito rin, gingan. Sheena. Oy, dungan me.
Okay, Nitch of Dane.
Youngest. Lo, youngest. Guduan, pag-youngest kinamang.
Si Dane mo sa game sa tatin.
Nitch, Dane, o Gale. How about the oldest?
Aya!
Gay, Ashley.
Mama Mary. Si Mama Mary.
Next. Which member's special talent is songwriting?
Sheena! Ay, Colette! Malay!
Nitch.
Colette di ay. Hi, I'm BINI Colette.
Which BINI song was included as part of the soundtrack to the film An Inconvenient Love?
Pantupik ko.
No, wala.
Lagi!
No, wala na mo.
Karir. Witsa ha, witsa.
Buntuin.
So to balik ko? Pwede ba? Kaduha lang balik ka ba?
BINI song was included as part of the soundtrack to the film An Inconvenient Love. 3, 2, 1.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Camping di ay.
Pangkamping. Next.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi.
In March 2024, it was revealed that the group would be staging their first concert. What is the title of the first concert?
The Coconut!
No.
Salamin.
Patropiko.
Patropiko. Album?
Concert.
Lagi.
Wala na. Wala na cancel. BINIverse.
Huwag mag-alala.
Next.
Ano ba tugno?
BINI's official fandom name is inspired by which flower?
Daisy!
Daniel.
Dungan me.
Daniel.
Dungan po sila. Daisy.
Daniel og Nitch.
Okay. Daisy!
Next. What is Aya's surname?
Maria Arceta! Maria Arceta.
Arceta Daniel. Mo pa mo kompleto surname ra migi.
Middle name. Surname Maria, last name.
Next. Who is BINI's main vocal?
Maloy at Colette!
Nitch.
Makulet! Maloy at Colette. Makulet.
Nitch.
Kaya.
Next. Who is BINI's main rapper?
Stacy Gwen Mika!
Aya, Gwen, Mika. Aya, Stacy, Mika.
Ikaw.
Stacy Mika.
Eh, Gwen, imo gani ha.
Stacy Gwen Mika!
Gwen, Mika mo, Nitch.
Aya, Gwen, Mika.
Ako kay si Kuan, Stacy ug si Mika.
Kuha nga man.
Busa ban me.
Who is BINI's main dancer?
Sheena!
Daniel. Nakauna day. Unhan na man. What is the meaning behind the word BINI?
Bini!
Ha?
Bini!
Tanan except the Dane. So, yeah. What is Joanna's special talent?
Singing!
Wala na mo.
Dancing!
No.
Ay!
3, 2, 1. News reporting.
reporter. Just casting na lang.
Next. Which BINI member loves the color pink?
Sisi!
Ashley og inyo.
Kaya mo siya ang kuan.
Limot yung ko ni Disney Princess.
Which BINI member was born on June 19, 2003?
Gwen!
Green Chana.
Green Chana!
Next.
Birthday mo na
Which BINI member was born on November 8?
Mika! Kulit! So that's it for today's video. Until next time, God bless everyone. And I thank you!